iyak dahil na-reject ngayon yung iyak niya. That's the tears of joy.
Yes.
Nabanggit ni Ryan kanina, nagbenta sila ng kalabaw para mag-invest dito. Ngayon, ang kalabaw pinalitan naman ng isang sasakyan. Alright? Napaka-inspired. Inspiring ba?
Yes.
Siyempre, with that, tanggapin mo tong pinakamalaking susi para sa pangarap mo. That you are now officially part of the Car Achievers of Online Business Academy. Once again, palakpakan naman natin. Charles Digal! Excited ba lahat? Are you excited? Alright! Siyempre. May pansalaran. Baka iiyak yan.
And of course yung of course yung
Yung
Ano? Ayan.
Bintan, siyempre,